Hey guys, this is Manzar Mashhood and you are watching my channel Managed Consulting. So today we are going to talk about Headless Drupal or Decoupled Drupal. So this is the complete guide that I have written on what Headless Drupal is or Decoupled Drupal is and how you can benefit from it, especially large enterprises. So here I have gone through the basic definition of headless CMS. What is it? Basically, it separates the front end from the back end. So at the back end, you can have a Drupal, but on the front end, you can have uh, like Next.js or maybe Vue.js or any other front end technology based on JavaScript. So what headless does is it's decouple uh, Drupal backend from the front end. And there are three types of Drupal architecture. Unified, that's what you get right out of the box, and that's what most of the people think that okay, that is it. We cannot go beyond that, but Drupal is actually it can be decoupled, can be headless. So how Drupal decouple or headless CMS works? Drupal's backend acts as a content repository that stores and manages data, making it available via APIs to the front-end systems for rendering. So you might be aware from Drupal 8, Drupal has become API first CMS, and which means that you can connect it to other applications, maybe your marketing automation platform, maybe your uh, analytics, and they both Drupal, your Drupal instance or website, and those platforms can actually talk to each other with the help of API. And you can imagine that now possibilities are endless and you can actually unify the data. That's what all the paid marketing experience platforms such as Adobe experience platform are doing, and they are charging way more than they should be charging. It's actually very expensive. So let's get back to the blog post. So, but in Drupal, just a side point that you can do it at a very nominal cost with the help of managed consulting. So in hybrid progressive decoupling, uh, you can combine the advantages by unified approach, and you can also get some benefits of headless system. So that's difference between standard or unified system and the headless Drupal. It's monolithic. The standard one is monolithic. Decoupled one is separate backend from the front end. It's twig based theme. Basically, it's Drupal's own HTML engine that basically generates the page. But for decoupled Drupal, you can use any technology such as Next.js or you know any other front end technology. So the standard Drupal is direct server side, but the decoupled is, as I explained you before, it's API based. It's HTML pages, it's structured data, and the traditional websites, blogs, and content portals are built in unified or standard Drupal, but complex web applications, multi-channel content delivery, and front-end heavy experiences can be built in decoupled Drupal or headless Drupal. So these are the benefits for content creators that headless Drupal brings, and these are the benefits for developers, and these are the benefits for end users. Basically, end users get a very good experience, very fast website. They they find what they are looking for on the website very quickly. So these are they engage better on the website and they find they are more happier. So headless Drupal is not for everyone. There are some disadvantages, like you have to hire a front end person to develop the system. It's more work whenever you have to do more work. it's not easy, and of course, it's more costly. And what are the most important factors to consider when choosing a front-end technology for a Drupal project? So, uh, there are so many popular frameworks, but here at Mesh Consulting, we use React and Next.js. And why we use React? React is actually a very, very fast front-end technology. It comes with a very great speed and it makes your website really fast, and it's componential, like, uh, different building blocks. You can basically, uh, like, it's like a Lego. When you want to make something, you can make a truck, you can make a robot, anything you would like. So that's the flexibility only Drupal brings. And Next.js, because Next.js is really my favorite because I'm an SEO person, so it has so many out of the box features, SEO features, and it's also good for routing. And what makes Headless Drupal and Jamstack such a winning team for building modern websites? Well, Jamstack is like JavaScript and APIs and markup. So when these come together, you can you know connect your Drupal instance to any other systems out there and unify the data and really make a powerful, really impactful website. And decoupled Drupal is not for everyone. And static sites don't need it if you have a blog website. That's go for WordPress. You know, Drupal is a little bit hard to use, and as well it's heavier. Like you why you need such functionality when you just need a blog? Go for WordPress. And feature trade-off, and these are some of the uh, examples that are using uh, Drupal as the backend, and but they are using some other front-end technology as the front end, like the Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, Backbone.js as front end, Drupal as the backend, and front end, Backbone.js and Node.js as front end, Weather.com, Angular.js as front end, and Great Wolf Resorts, CoffeeScript as front end, Spine Framework as front end, Drupal as back end. How management really can help? Well, we are Drupal enthusiasts. We are experienced in headless Drupal. So if you need your website to be built in headless Drupal, feel free to knock my door, and you can visit my LinkedIn profile. You can uh, click on this button, get in touch, and you can fill out this form, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp, and I'll be very happy to help you out. See you in another video.